Hi guys, I'm Taylor.
And I'm Kia.
And welcome back to 5 Favorite Features. Today, we picked a vehicle that we personally don't know much about, which is the Mazda CX-30. So we're gonna try to find someone that can help teach us some things about this Mazda.
Mazda? Did somebody say Mazda?
Do you know about this car?
I know everything you could ever want to know about this car, including my 5 favorite features. Let's do this.
Okay, so our first favorite feature is the adaptive front lighting system.
And what that feature does is not only do the lights brighten and dim with traffic patterns for high beams and low beams, but also they dynamically bend 15 degrees around turns.
Our next favorite feature is the heads-up display.
The heads-up display is a safety feature that keeps the driver's eye on the road by projecting important information on the windshield to keep them from looking down at the gauge cluster.
All right guys, so now we're gonna dive into this Infotainment Center where I wanna hear a little more about this Commander controller.
Well, the Commander controller is Mazda's answer to keeping the driver's focus on the road. So you can access a lot of your information, communication, navigation menus right there from the center Commander controller knob.
Our next favorite feature is the Mazda radar cruise control with stop and go.
And what this feature does is up front in the Mazda emblem is a radar system that detects the distance between you and the car in front of you. So if the car in front of you starts to slow down, it'll keep you at a safe distance. And it can also stop and restart in traffic.
Okay, so where does this vehicle fall in the Mazda lineup?
Well, with 15.2 cubic feet of storage, it falls right in between the CX-3 and the CX-5. Now, if you look in here, it is very spacious. Now we have the one seat folded down, and you can also fold down this other seat to give you even more room.
Okay guys, so those are our 5 favorite features on the Mazda CX-30 premium package.
If you guys have any more questions, go ahead and leave a comment down below. We love hearing from you guys. Or go ahead and stop down off Route 30 in Greensburg and come visit us.
Or you can visit us online at smailmazda.com. We look forward to seeing you. Thanks.